Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing for September. So it is October 1st today, so happy spooky season, but I got my box incredibly late. As per usual with Boxycharm, they suck. For some reason, they either always send me crappy items or the box is notoriously late. So I am really annoyed that my box is so late and that I have to do my unboxing in October. So I'm going to film this and edit it and post it all today because it is October 1st and I want to get into other content rather than fucking Boxycharm. But I didn't want to just skip over October because I wanted to see what I got. So this is what this month's box looks like. So when you open it up, it looks like this. So I have absolutely no idea what we got this month, so I'm interested to see. So here is the little card that tells us all the prices. So this one is the Boxycharm BTS month. So this is what the card looks like. I'm really excited to see what we got, but so far annoyed that this month has been so late. And it would have been the Boxy Luxe Box for me because you get it every 3 months, but I did cancel the Boxy Luxe because I was not interested in getting crappy items and paying twice the amount. So I canceled the Boxy Luxe, so this is just the base box. It should have been the Boxy Luxe box, but it's just a base. And so just for a little details of what I'm wearing, my earrings are from Love Kills Boutique. My sweater is from Shein. It's just a half black and orange sweater. My wig is just from Amazon, and I did not film this look, but if you guys are interested in seeing this look, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll definitely create maybe an Instagram TV video, is that what they're called? Or a reel or something just doing this look because it's actually really easy to do and it's really pretty. So let's just jump on into the box. So the first thing I see is this kind of like, it almost looks like a sunglass case. It's probably brushes though, I'm assuming. It's from the brand Ileana Bandro. So if I find that on here, it is, this set masterfully creates a seamless, flawless makeup application, contour blend, and define with these 3 limited editions, decadent synthetic makeup brushes, travel or story brushes in style, with a luxurious tan pouch, and retails for $58. So this is a really, really pricey item. 58 bucks for 3 brushes is crazy expensive in my opinion. And honestly, I'm not gonna keep the pouch because I don't like the fact that it's like beige. It's really ugly. So I love that they put on their luxurious tan. No, it's literally just like ugly brown. So this is what the brushes look like. So I really didn't need these. I have so many brushes. I do think that they're cute. I really like the fact that the handle is like this kind of metallic blue color. It is really pretty. The brushes are really, really soft, so I'll definitely keep them, but they're not exactly brushes that I would have like gone out of my way to pick up because I don't really need, especially this one, I really don't need this brush, but I can always use another blending brush, so that is really awesome. But I would not spend $58 on 3 brushes. That is crazy. That is very expensive and just not something that I would have done. So I'm really glad that I got it in my Boxycharm because I would not have purchased it otherwise. So I'm just totaling up the total here. So that's $58. This is literally gonna go in the garbage. It's ugly and the material is like floppy. I don't like it at all. The next thing is the Saint Luxe Brow Gel. So it looks like this. So I don't really use brow gel. I more or less just fill in my eyebrows with a pencil or with some eyeshadow. And I have been getting my brows tinted lately, so I have been filling in my eyebrows a lot less. So I don't know if I really will use this depending on the color. So this is clear. So it's a clear brow gel. Okay, yeah, I really don't need that. I don't use brow gel and I don't need a clear one. That sounds like a waste of my time and product because I'm not gonna put clear shit on my eyebrows. I just don't really use brow gel. So that's just kind of a wasted item in my opinion. So that is the Bow Down to Your Brows. This brow gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape. This short brow brush will give you precise placement of your brows, and the lightweight gel has a no residue when dry. So it retails for $22. I probably will just pass that along to one of my friends because I know I will never use it. So the next thing is from the brand Giorgetti Clinger. So this is a primer. So it's for all skin types. You get 50 milliliters and it looks like this. So it is just a base primer, I'm assuming, if my camera will pick it up, it looks like this. Let's see what it says. Blur imperfections and ensure all-day radiant finish. Hydrating and long wearing, it cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid, ensuring silky smooth makeup application that won't settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. Nourishing blend of marula oil and vitamin A, E, F, and B. Locks in moisture and protects against visible signs of aging. Ideal for oil and silicone-based foundation formulas. I will definitely try this out. This is really interesting. I don't really have a whole lot of creasing or fine lines, especially with the foundation that I use currently. I use just a BB cream, but I do have a little bit of under eye issues, a little bit of fine lines underneath my eyes where I put my eyeshadow. So maybe I will try that out in that area, but that is really interesting. And it says it retails for $32. So $32 for a primer is, I think that's pretty normal actually. I don't think that's too expensive or too inexpensive either. I think that's just pretty normal. So that's whatever, I'll definitely try that out. The next thing is Define Beauty Myself Moisturizing Lipsticks from Real Her. I don't know what color this is. The packaging is pretty. It's like kind of like reflective metallic packaging, and it's like pink. Ooh, the packaging is really nice. This is what the lipstick looks like. I already have lipstick on, so I'm not going to put it on obviously, but I will show you guys the color if I can get it open. Nude lipstick with a piece of hair on it. Ew. It's probably just from the air around me, but that's not a color I would use, and I don't really use lipsticks like this. I use liquid lipstick only. So again, this is an item that I don't need, don't want, and I don't like the color. The color is kind of like a mauve, almost pink color, and I just don't need it. So that is the Overtime Encapsulated Water in Released from the lipstick, providing hydration to your lips. Not only is each shade infused with jojoba seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, but each lipstick also provides all-day hydration with a creamy, smooth application, and it retails for $18, which is very standard for a lipstick. I just don't like lipsticks like this. I don't go for bullet lipsticks, I go for liquid. So far this box has not been very good. The only thing that I'm really that interested in is the brush set, and only really for one brush. I like the blending brush. Other than that, I didn't need the brush set. So far this box is terrible. So the last item is from the brand Glam Glow. So this is the Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Treatment. So this is an anti-aging, fine line, smooth, refined glow. So I'm assuming this is a mud mask kit. Youth Mud exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, while natural clays lift impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. Antioxidants from green tea smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantly. And it retails for $60. So let's break into this and see what it looks like. That is a lot of packaging for this. They could have just put this in the box and that would have been fine. I did not need all of this excess cardboard for this little bit of product. That is kind of unnecessary and a big waste, and now I have to go to the recycling. So I would say the packaging on that is really, really dumb. It looks like you're getting a lot more than what you actually are getting. It looks to be like the packaging is kind of like just kind of stretching to make it look like Boxycharm actually put something in here that is really crazy and oh my god, you get so much product, but in reality it's just like stuffed full of cardboard. So this is what the product looks like. So I do really like the brand Glam Glow. I do have a cleanser that I use regularly from them. It's the Gentle Bubble Cleanser. So I'm definitely interested in trying this out. So this one looks like, what does it look like? So it looks like this. It just kind of looks like a mud mask. It smells really good. It smells like mud, like a regular mud mask mixed with something really citrusy. So it smells really, really nice. I'm very interested in trying this out. So I will definitely do a first impressions and a review style video on this product the next time I take off my makeup. So probably tonight I'll try this product out because I'm really interested in seeing what it's like. And I don't actually have any mud mask currently that I have been using. I was using the hemp one that I got from the brand Hey Bud. It's an Australian brand. I do have a video up on my channel in the eye if you guys are interested, and I definitely ran out of that product and I have not repurchased it yet, so I'm really excited that I have another one to try before I repurchase the other one because I do really enjoy the other one. They did send that one to me a couple of years ago, so I do really need to repurchase it, but I don't have a mud mask that I'm currently using, so I'm very excited to try this out. But as for this entire box, this box was not really my favorite. It wasn't the worst box ever. It was $190, so I paid about $40 or $50. I think it was like, it's 25 USD plus shipping, so I think I pay it in and around $36 to $40 depending on the Canadian dollar at the time in the shipping. So I usually spend about $35, let's just round down there. I usually spend about $35 on Boxycharm every single month, and I got $190 worth of items. So that's pretty good. I do think that this box was all right. It wasn't my absolute favorite box because I did not need the brow gel, I did not need the lipsticks, and I do think that the brushes are way too expensive for what they are, and this is a complete joke. Like, I don't need that at all. I'm excited to try the primer and I'm excited to try the mud mask, but everything else I could have done without. But in reality, this one product alone is $60, so this covers the total of my box completely, so that's pretty awesome in and itself. So I would say this wasn't the worst box ever, but I am glad that I canceled the Boxy Luxe box because I really just don't need the amount of products that Boxycharm sends us every month. And lately it has been really catered towards skincare, which I'm not that big of a fan of, although this box was a lot more makeup, so I'm really excited for that. The primer is considered a makeup item, the brow gel is obviously a makeup item, lipstick is obviously a makeup item, brushes fall into makeup item, and then the one skincare item. This is exactly the type of box that I want from Boxycharm going forward. I want mostly makeup items and one skincare item. Lately, it's been the other way around. It's been like 4 items that have been heavily catered towards skincare and only 1 or 2 makeup items, and I just can't go through the amount of skincare that Boxycharm has been sending me in the amount of time that I have before it expires. So I'm really excited that they finally sent me a more evened out box, and I got a lot more makeup items than I did skincare this month, but I would still say that I'm pretty disappointed with Boxycharm because this box was super late, and I don't know what the hell that is about because I literally had to email them asking me what my tracking was because it was the 15th or the 16th of the month and my shipping hadn't updated and I hadn't gotten my tracking at all. And then after I messaged them, I got my tracking within a day, and then it still took another 2 weeks. So I would say I'm pretty disappointed with Boxycharm this month. It's disappointing that they can't ever send me my box on time. Sometimes it arrives on time and most of the time it does not. And whenever it does arrive on time, the boxes are usually horrible. So I'm pretty okay with this box. I'm content with this box. I'm not going to cancel. I'm going to try the November box, but I think by the time that we hit December, if I'm still kind of on the fence with Boxycharm and not really feeling it, then I probably will cancel after December just because this year has been so bad for Boxycharm. They've been really shitting the bed and I've just not been feeling it really that much lately. I'm thinking about switching to a different one. So if you guys know of any other subscription boxes that are more heavily catered towards makeup and less skincare, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't recommend Ipsy to me because we can't get the full box in Canada for whatever reason. They don't ship the full Glam box to us. We can only get the sample one, so I'm not interested in that. So if you have any other subscription boxes other than Ipsy, please let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely try them out and see if I like them. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!